Let's talk about that forecast across our region. We're going to be seeing pretty good weather today over Northwest Florida. Temperatures will be up into the 80s. We'll keep 70s at the coastline under mostly clear skies. As we look at what's going to be happening with our winds will be out of the east and southeast across our region, and that will continue to pump in the moisture over Northwest Florida as we make our way through Wednesday and on into Thursday. So you see a lot more green on the map here, indicating higher dew point temperatures. And every day we'll see that those higher dew point temperatures spread their way inland along the sea breeze. So it's definitely going to be noticeably more humid as we get closer to the weekend, as those dew points will be climbing up through the low 60s and eventually the middle 60s. High temperatures Wednesday, 70s at the coast and 80s inland. We'll see low temperatures Thursday, mainly into the 50s and 60s, and then high temperatures Thursday into the 70s and 80s. 70s at the coast, 80s inland will be a common theme over much of the next 7 days until we can warm up the water temperatures, which right now are into the mid 60s. Rainfall chances, again, fairly low through the weekend. They're not zero, but they're not very high, and nothing that I would stress too much about. Futurecast shows, again, a few blips of green. You definitely see some moisture convergence here and those bands heading inland, but I'm not expecting a whole lot in the way of rainfall. All the good stuff stays well back west of our area, and then some better showers and thunderstorms down across the peninsula. But you can see, there you go, on Saturday, some storms getting into Mississippi and Alabama, but not necessarily finding their way here. When we look at the clouds, showers, and thunderstorms, again, there you see them up across Tennessee, and then we're fairly quiet as we head into your Saturday and on into Sunday across our area. You see a few blips of green, but that's really about all we're going to be able to do across our area. There's the heavier rainfall out to the west, in particular a bullseye from Texas, Oklahoma, and up into Arkansas, where 2 to 3+ inches of rainfall are going to be possible. For us, if we're lucky, some showers near I-10, and a few hundredths of an inch of rain. 7-day forecast, high temperatures into the 70s, lows into the 60s at the coast. There could be some fog Thursday morning, but all in all, the story will be warm and mainly dry weather across the Panhandle.